Good morning, Earth scientists. It is Tuesday on this snowy, white morning. I don't like snow, especially because I got to drive in it, but my drive wasn't too bad, so it's all good. And it looks like the majority of the snow is going to head south. So we're good, but still, winter's coming. I guess I just need to embrace it. So it's Tuesday, it's November 29th today, and we are going to start working on our mystery when we get into minerals. And that's really kind of the idea that I want students to embrace is you're given essentially kind of like a mystery, like a puzzle. Here is this unknown mineral. Can you figure it out? Can you solve the mystery? So we're going to just kind of introduce mineral testing today, talk about it a little bit, get in our groups. We'll spend some time practicing, getting familiar with the dichotomous key. And then Wednesday, tomorrow, we'll get into the mineral testing. We'll do the first mineral together as a class, and then it's full send. You guys take it from there. So that's going to be the plan kind of for the rest of the week. The only other thing, there's two more things going in the grade book. I collected your do now packet yesterday, but the two other things going in the grade book are going to be the journal check and then the mineral ID activity. So basically what we're doing Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we're going to get some practice today. I know how to use a dichotomous key is what we're going to be working with today. So what in the world is a dichotomous key? Dichotomous key is just a tool. It's a tool used to help you identify something unknown. A dichotomous key is something you should be familiar with because I know you use them in 7th grade. So you use them probably to identify different animals or insects. Well, we are going to use a dichotomous key to identify minerals. So we're going to get a little practice first, and we are going to identify some minions is what we are going to identify. So feel free to pause the video and see if you can identify all of Gru's minions. Now, believe it or not, even though I'm a minion expert, my daughters love the minion movies, I have no idea who these 10 minions are. So you can work through the dichotomous key. Kind of a fun way to get back into the idea of dichotomous keys. So we'll do that together as a class. And then kind of walking through the step-by-step. Minion has one eye. The minion is smiling. The minion has a finger on his chin. We know that the first one is Kyle. There we go. Kind of working through the whole process. So what are the 10 minions names? And we'll kind of go through and work through that with a class. So if you pause the video and did the activity, there are the 10 different minions. All right, so I can describe all the physical properties used to identify minerals. We will get into groups. We'll talk a little bit about the mineral testing sheet, and then we'll do a couple mystery mineral using the dichotomous key. So working through, this one has metallic luster, has a gray streak, it's 6 on the Mohs scale, color is dark, usually black, it's magnetic. So we'll work through the mystery minerals to figure out what it is, and that's magnetite. So physical properties, this is calcite. So we'll just work through this together as a class so that we can get more familiar with how to use the dichotomous keys, kind of, again, how to, go through the mineral testing and stuff like that. And then once we've kind of refreshed our brains on the dichotomous keys and everything else, then we're going to get some time to work on our study guide. So you can tackle all this stuff on the study guide. We can talk about the requirements to being a mineral. We can tackle that. We can do a Venn diagram contrasting metals and nonmetals and similarities. And then we also have the flip chart if you did not finish the flip chart. So we'll start the hour with dichotomous keys, and then we'll end the hour with some work time to kind of get caught up on everything so that we can hit the ground running tomorrow when we start our mineral testing. Other than that, take care. I will mention this. I know that there are some people that are on vacation or some people that are out for the rest of the trimester. If that is you, I will be in contact with you on how we're going to handle the mineral identification lab. So I will be in contact with you. And other than that, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow for mineral testing.